2018 Ford Fusion is a midsize family sedan that competes with the Chevrolet Malibu, Honda Accord, Hyundai Sonata, Toyota Camry, and Volkswagen Passat. New for 2018 is a performance sport model and new tech and connectivity features. The 5-seat Fusion offers several engine choices. There's a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder that makes 175 horsepower, a 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder that makes 181 horsepower, a 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder that makes 245 horsepower, and a 2.7-liter V6 that makes 325 horsepower. There's also a hybrid model that pairs a 4-cylinder gas engine with an electric motor. EPA-estimated fuel economy numbers run from a low of 17 miles per gallon city to a high of 34 miles per gallon highway on gas models, and the hybrid is listed at $43.41. An all-electric model is also available depending on engine or trim. The Fusion is available with either front-wheel or all-wheel drive. The Fusion is available in several trim levels: S, SE, Hybrid S, Hybrid SE, Titanium, Hybrid Titanium, Energi SE, Energi Titanium, Sport, Platinum, Hybrid Platinum, and Energi Platinum. Available features include fog lamps, a spoiler, leather seats, heated front seats, infotainment system, navigation system, satellite radio, and adaptive cruise control. Available safety features include a rear-view camera, lane keeping system, inflatable seat belts, parking assist, blind spot monitoring, pedestrian detection, anti-lock brakes, stability control, traction control, and rear cross-traffic alert. The Fusion is equipped with dual front side, knee and side curtain airbags. The base price for the 2018 Ford Fusion is $21,995, not including destination and delivery.